Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a really cute shark by connecting the dots. And then we're going to color it. First we start at number 1 and we do an arc. Always start at number 1. Again, I like to push the pen away from me because I find it's easier, but you can do it however you like. Now we're going to go and do another arc in this direction, just like this, to a point. And we're going to come down again. And here we go with a curve. I'm going to curve the other way because we're creating the fin. So now we're going from 15 to 19. Just like that. Now we're going from 19 to 24 in a nice smooth line. You don't have to go fast, just take your time. Now this next one is a little tricky because it's such a long curve. You might have to do it in small sections, which is okay. See, I couldn't do it all at once either. Now I'm going to curve downwards like this all the way to 41. Now if I don't like the lines I made, if they're not smooth enough, I can always go back and fix them. Sometimes if I really don't like it, I just redraw the whole thing all over again. Now we're going to curve this way so we can finish off the mouth. There we go. Now here, I want you to draw a curve, but don't come to a point. I want you to do a rounded corner on the end. Like this. And we finish off by going straight up. See, I need to fix my end. See, it's starting to look really good now. Now follow along the numbers just like this and curve down to a point. Then we're going to go up just one. And we're going to curve back the other way. And now, all the way to 1. When you get really good at your numbers, sometimes you can work backwards. And we're done! Now let's give our shark a face. First I'm going to start with the teeth. Let's make them rounded, not pointy. We want our shark to be cute, not scary. Now 2 big eyes. If you have trouble drawing circles, you can use something like a bottom of a glass to draw around, or even a toilet paper roll. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to fix all of my lines. You know, the ones that are still slightly jagged or not quite as smooth as I wanted. When I'm done fixing all of my lines, it's time to do the part that I think is most fun. Coloring. Now I'm going to pick this light gray blue color and I'm going to color the bottom part of my shark. Next, I'm using a dark blue color for the top part of my shark. I've picked two different colors of grays for shadows, a light one and a dark one. I'm going to use the light one around his eyes and on his teeth. I'm also using it on the light blue part of the shark. Now I'm using the dark gray on the dark blue part of the shark. Now I've decided that my shark still needs a little bit more, so I go back and add more darker shadows to other parts. Now maybe you don't like blue. Maybe you want your shark to be orange instead. Go ahead, make an orange shark. There's no rules here. You just do whatever you want to do to have fun. Maybe I'll make a pink one next.